Hello traders, today is the 12th of April 2023. I hope guys you have banked very good pips today. Today was amazing trade. We have plenty of high impact news and amazing market. Let me share with you guys how I help my traders to squeeze amazing profit through live intraday analysis. Now let's dig into the system. And if you don't want to miss my latest analysis review in the future, feel free to subscribe this channel. Let's move into the three major currency pair, Euro USD, Pound Dollar, and the Dollar CAD. All right, so if you look at the Euro USD, and pretty straightforward, as you have seen in my previous analysis, we've been long once the market developed false breakout. So even this morning, price developed this consolidation. But if you look at here, after this impulsive, we have sort of correction. So we were expecting this breakout, which price nicely did. And beautiful long trade here once the price broke on this one. So we have taken, and that's what I explained my trader, just keep taking a pullback. And later on, the news was in our favor, and that's why we really enjoyed on Euro USD. Let me show you how I analyze the entries and explain to my traders to squeeze amazing profit. So if you look at here this morning, just before London Open, this is the area we were expecting in 4 hour. So in intraday, this is the price action. That's what I explained my trader. Look for pullback as long as the price keep respecting it. We have this beautiful pullback, beautiful, nice shoot up and bank amazing profit. After banking this profit, that's basically based on the news. That's what I explained. Beautiful long trade here, and after banking, as explained, look, price respected previously, so we expecting a pullback and then keep taking a pullback. As you can see, exactly as mentioned based on the analysis, one pullback, second pullback, third pullback. So as explained, my trader, just keep taking a pullback and banking amazing profit. Beautiful trades. Pound dollar, beautiful guys. If you look at the 4-hour chart, as mentioned in my previous analysis, we were long on pound dollar since the market broken the false breakout and retest. So this morning we had a short trade here after this bearish engulfing candle. So being an intraday, we have the short trade here, bank few pp's, and as explained my trader, more likely price might gonna respect this level, and if it is, then we're probably expecting a nice big move upside, which the news was bad for the dollar, and that's what exactly happened. So we also had a long trade here. Let me explain to you how I analyze the entries and exit and help my traders to bank amazing profit. So pretty straightforward based on the price action this morning. As you can see here, just before London Open, this was a pretty straightforward breakout. As you can see here, bearish engulfing candle, short trade here, bank few pp's. After banking some profit just before the news, as explained to my trader, look for this breakout. If the price going to develop pullback, that's the sign of, if the news is good, possibility of short. If the news is bad for the dollar, then probably we're going to see here based on that, because the price was at the major support level in 4 hour, so we were expecting a reversal. So news was bad. So as you can see, a beautiful breakout. After the breakout, as explained, keep taking a pullbacks after banking some profit, and it says, guys, let's wait for the opening bell. As you can see here, after this impulsive price developed this correction, that's a pretty straightforward sign of one big push again. As you can see here, based on this analysis, we have this beautiful pullback, and explain, as long as the price respect this above this level, keep taking a pullback. As you can see here, we have one pullback, second pullback, third pullback, which we announced through live audio commentary. Amazing trade, guys. Dollar CAD, beautiful trade, guys, we had this morning. We are short based on the previous analysis. If you look at here, as mentioned in my previous analysis, are pretty straightforward. If you look ahead, the price develop a head and shoulder pattern that give us a significant. We already have a short trade in my previous analysis. So this morning we had a short trade here, and afterward we also had a long trade, counter long trade, which we were expecting price might gonna break this level, but the news was bad, and beautiful short trade here. Let me explain to you how I analyze the entries and exit. That was a beautiful trade, guys. So this morning, if pretty straightforward, you can see here, that was the analysis just before London Open. As explained to my trader, look for pullback around this level, and if the price gonna break and give us the confirmation, then long. Otherwise, you can see here price develop, especially when the price develop a double bottom here, double top here, and broken this low here. That's what we, based on this analysis, first priority will be the pullback short. Price nicely develop, beautiful short trade, bank amazing profit after banking. As soon as the price reverse, that's what I explained, point of interest. If the market is going to break this level, then we're looking at trade long, short. As you can see here, the price nicely broken, beautiful short trade here, bank amazing profit after banking some profit. Price reverse, being an intraday, and that's what we explain in more detail. If you look at the analysis, that's what I explained. My trader, look here, the price develop a high, and after this breakout, price develop a retest. So that's the sign of continuation. So look for this breakout. We had this breakout counter short trade, which we technically came out at the break even, and afterwards, as soon as the price developed a double top here, we came out. As soon as the price impulsively came back, as explained, my trader, look for this breakout as mentioned here in the analysis through live audio commentary, and we explain the details of this price action. Based on that, we have another beautiful one, reversal countered long trade. As soon as the price hit the previous high, as explained, my trade, it's time to enjoy some profit. I hope you enjoy this analysis, guys. As always mentioned, you should be watching those analyses in real time and banking profit in real time. If you are still struggling in forex trading, this is the platform where you can develop your trading skill with the live market and opportunities to get funded. So more information, I'm offering free one-to-one consultation. My availability calendar link is given in the video description. Most welcome. Join our fast growing trader community. Thank you for watching this video. Have a nice evening. Stay away. Stay well. Until next time. All the best, guys.